Crikey. G'day mates, Steve here, and today we're about to uncover something truly wild, right in the heart of our own neighborhoods. When you think of wildlife, you might picture the outback or dense jungles, but believe it or not, there's a whole wild world living right alongside us in our cities and suburbs. Urban animals are the ultimate survivors, thriving among concrete, glass and steel. They've learned to navigate busy streets, dodge cars, and even use our buildings for shelter. They've swapped treetops for telephone poles and rivers for storm drains, adapting in ways that are nothing short of extraordinary. Every day they find new ways to make the city their home, from clever raccoons cracking open bins for a midnight snack, to majestic falcons nesting high atop skyscrapers. These critters are living proof of nature's resilience and ingenuity. Even pigeons, descendants of wild rock doves, now see city ledges as their new cliffs, soaring and swooping between buildings as if they were mountains. Red foxes prowl our suburban gardens, mastering the art of stealth and blending into the shadows right under our noses. So next time you're out for a stroll, look around. You might spot a squirrel darting up a tree, hear a sparrow singing from a fence, or even glimpse a possum balancing along a power line above your head. These animals are part of a hidden ecosystem, quietly making the city as wild and fascinating as any rainforest or remote wilderness. We're about to dive into their secret lives, uncovering the incredible ways they survive and thrive in our urban jungles. So let's get started. It's going to be a beauty, mates. Stick around and prepare to be amazed. Let's talk Tucker. In the heart of our bustling cities, a secret world of animal dining is unfolding all around us, often right under our noses. For urban critters, the city is a giant, ever-changing buffet. Every alleyway, rooftop and park offers a new menu, and these animals have learned to adapt to whatever's on offer. Raccoons and foxes are expert scavengers, raiding bins and compost heaps for leftovers. Their keen noses lead them to the tastiest scraps, and they're not shy about getting their paws dirty. They know our routines. Bin day is their feast night. As soon as the sun sets, they're ready for a midnight banquet, often gathering in groups to share the spoils. Raccoons use nimble hands to open animal-proof bins, passing these tricks to their young. It's a family affair, with little ones learning the art of urban survival from their elders. But some are still hunters. Peregrine falcons dive from skyscrapers to catch pigeons mid-flight. These aerial acrobats have turned city skylines into their hunting grounds, adapting ancient skills to a modern world. Coyotes hunt rodents in parks, keeping populations in check. They move silently through green spaces, blending into the city's rhythm while playing a vital role in the urban ecosystem. Spiders spin webs on streetlights, catching moths drawn to the glow. Even the smallest hunters have found clever ways to thrive, using our lights to lure in their prey. Deer nibble gardens at dusk, while squirrels stash acorns for winter, sometimes planting new trees by accident. These gentle foragers shape the city's green spaces in unexpected ways. Every urban animal has found a clever way to get a feed in our world. From the bold to the shy, each species has its own strategy for survival. From scavengers to hunters, they're all part of the city's food chain. What a feast! Next time you walk the city streets, remember, you're sharing the buffet with some truly remarkable neighbors. City life isn't just about finding food, it's about staying safe. For wild animals, every day in the city is a test of their wits and instincts, as they navigate a world built for humans, not for them. Urban animals dodge cars, pets and people, often becoming nocturnal to avoid us. The city never truly sleeps. But these creatures have learned to thrive in the shadows, moving quietly when most of us are indoors. Camouflage is key. A possum might look like a tree branch, a fox vanishes into a hedge, and rats slip into storm drains. Blending in helps them avoid danger, whether it's a prowling cat or a curious human. They map out escape routes using parks, crawl spaces, and even our homes. Every alley, rooftop, and garden becomes part of their mental map, offering quick getaways when trouble appears. Some have wild tricks. Opossums play dead, skunks unleash their infamous spray. These defenses might seem strange, but they're incredibly effective at keeping predators and people at bay. Birds build nests in hard-to-reach spots, on ledges in traffic lights, to protect their young. High above the busy streets, their chicks are safe from most threats below. Flocks of small birds will mob predators, driving them away with teamwork. Even the fiercest hawk can be overwhelmed by a determined group of tiny defenders. From playing dead to blending in, these animals have mastered survival in the city. Their clever tactics help them outsmart dangers at every turn. Every night, the city becomes a stage for their disappearing acts. Under the cover of darkness, they slip through fences, dash across roads, and vanish before anyone notices. Survival here is all about brains, stealth, and a bit of luck. In the urban jungle, only the cleverest and most adaptable animals make it through each day and night. Like people, urban animals have different social lives. Some stick together, others go solo. Pigeons and starlings form flocks for safety. When one takes off, the rest follow. Starlings create stunning murmurations, swirling in the sky to confuse predators and stay warm. On the flip side, red foxes are mostly lone hunters, patrolling their territory solo. They pair up only to raise kits, then return to their independent ways. Raccoons mix it up. Mothers teach their young survival skills before they go off alone. Whether in flocks, families, or solo, each animal finds the social structure that works best in the city. These strategies help them thrive in the urban jungle. Social or solitary, they're all adapting to city life. It's a wild mix out there. Every urban animal has a superpower for city survival. Squirrels are acrobats, leaping between branches and power lines, using bushy tails for balance and parachutes. Their double-jointed ankles let them climb head-first down trees. Bats use echolocation, mapping the night sky with sound to hunt insects in total darkness. Peregrine falcons are the city's fighter jets, diving at over 320 km/h to catch prey. Special nostril baffles let them breathe at high speeds. Nature's own jet tech. Rats have ultra-sensitive whiskers, iron-strong teeth, and can swim and squeeze through tiny spaces. These abilities make them unstoppable urban survivors. From super speed to sonar, city critters are perfectly equipped for their concrete homes. Their powers are as impressive as any superheroes. The city is their playground. Nature is all about adapting, and city animals are masters at it. Birds see skyscrapers as cliffs, chimneys as hollow trees, and bridges as caves. Some city birds sing at higher pitches to be heard over traffic. Evolution in action. Moths in industrial cities have darkened to blend in with soot-stained walls. Coyotes have become more nocturnal and cautious, even learning to cross streets safely. Animals change their hunting, travel, and social habits to fit city rhythms. Geese graze on park lawns, raccoons treat bins as buffets, and birds weave nests from our trash. They're the ultimate recyclers, turning our waste into homes. Adaptation is their secret weapon for city survival. They show us how to thrive in a changing world. Every urban animal plays a vital role in the city's ecosystem. Falcons and hawks control pigeons and rodents. Foxes and coyotes keep other populations in check. Bats and spiders eat thousands of insects, acting as natural pest control. Bees and butterflies pollinate flowers, making our parks and gardens flourish. Squirrels plant new trees by burying forgotten nuts. Each animal is a thread in the web of city life. Lose one, and the whole system weakens. We can help by securing bins, driving carefully, and planting native flowers. A little kindness goes a long way for our wild neighbors. These animals bring nature's magic to our busy lives and teach us about resilience. Let's protect them and the spaces they call home. Good on you for caring. Good.